Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I want y'all to come with me as I get ready to attend a cake kickback. This was something definitely different, something I've never been to. And they said to dress cute and comfortable or whatever. I thought this was cute and comfortable, but y'all, they came with it. When I tell you everybody was dressed like a very casual, and here I am like streetwear, straight hip hop. But at the end of the day, I was still comfortable. These jeans are from Fashion Nova, and my shirt is from Ross or whatever. I was making like a reel on my phone for Instagram. That's why you see me doing this crazy stuff or whatever. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy and let me know if you would try something like this. It was actually pretty dope, as you'll see in the video. Stay tuned. Hi, how are you?
Are you going to draw one?
The Cake Kickback? Yes.
Do you know where we're going?
I think right here.
Oh, okay. That's how you know you're in the right spot.
Oh, the cakes, right? Oh, well.
Welcome everybody.
Hi, how are you?
Hi. Okay, so what you're gonna do is put your name and what you need support in. So if it's email engagement, if it's being more consistent, whatever you put on the survey when you RSVP.
Okay.
Or if you don't remember, just whatever you put in. Put it in the jar. This will be okay later.
So in this video, you may notice quite a few popular content creators and also some very professional chefs and bakers that you may have seen on TV.
Your name, and then anything like you have any issues with social media or need some help on that end.
Okay.
Put right here, and then your name right there. Your name and your cake, and then favorite celebrity on the blue.
Gotcha.
And then if y'all want a photo, you can do that as well.
Okay.
And that's just your name and cake.
Okay. So I had no idea of who was going to be at this event. Someone had sent me this event to attend. Actually, Dallas Black Bloggers sent me this event to attend because it was a foodie type of event. And of course, you guys know, or if you do not know, then I'll, tell you, I am a certified chef and an extreme foodie. So yeah, this was perfect for me.
Anything you need help with on social media?
Any issues. You might not have it. I'll put my name up there for me. I need more time for myself.
What you bring?
It's okay. Don't worry about what I brought. You're the stylist. Don't worry about it.
Hey, that's something about.
This is my name. Yeah, don't worry about what I brought.
Your name and the name of your kid.
Yes, ma'am. And you just put the cake name.
So let me provide a little disclaimer. I am not a baker. I am nowhere close to a baker. So when they called it a cake kickback, I thought everyone was going to go to the store and actually purchase cakes. Child, most of these cakes were homemade and home baked, and I was like, here's my little Kroger bar cake. But it was actually pretty good.
Male or female?
I'm gonna put my teenage favorite celebrity.
Do y'all want to take a picture or? to do with your phone? Do you like your Osmo? I just don't want to spend the money, but I think it's either that or Metaverse.
The Action 4.
How much is that?
It's like $3.99. But I have both. It does like basically the same thing. Quality is still the same.
I'm glad you told me that.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is better.
Okay.
This is your name.
This is a cute little clubhouse. Hi. I'm back. Yes, it is. Okay. Ooh, that look good. Thank you.
I'm Lindsay. Sorry.
Lindsay, nice to meet you.
So I'm the one everybody's emailing and texting.
Okay. Nice to meet you. Do you need help with anything? Okay.
You guys can probably play this game. You guys play, everyone put like a celebrity in the little jar thingy. Okay. So we have a volunteer. She volunteered. This is Janelle. Hi, Janelle. Hi there. She is volunteered. All right. I'm going to give you one of these. You can, or actually, no, you pick it. All right. Whisper it to someone if you decide. All right. You saw it. Everybody. All right. Turn it all this way. Okay. You saw it. Okay. Okay. So now, Janelle, you could ask any questions. Actually, you had our Rivers game, right? Oh, yeah. He's been down there. He was down He doesn't walk the earth. Yeah, that's like he's really old. No, he's like gone. No. Okay. Does anyone want to just throw out a clue, like a
Dirty one.
Okay.
Dirty one. Okay.
They are gorgeous.
Personally chaotic year for me already.
So I love giving you guys a sneak peek behind the scenes of my creator events. If you like to see more, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.